What is 3 to 1 principle? So 3 to 1 principle we are calling as a principle of location also. So basically 3 to 1 principle we are using for assembly of the part. So any part when we are working, let's suppose we have this part, okay. So if this part, if I want to assemble on something, so the thing is like I want to lock all 6 degrees of freedom of this part. So what are the 6 degrees of freedom? So this part is completely free now. So this part can now travel in this direction. Let's suppose this is x, then this part can travel in y direction, this is a y direction, and this part can travel in z direction, right? So x, y, z, 3 translation degrees are there, and still this part can rotate along the x, right? Then this part can rotate along the y also, like this, right? And then this part can rotate along the z also, okay. So 3 rotation, so 3 translation and 3 rotation x, y, z, that all are 6 degrees of freedom. So that we are locking, okay. So how to lock? So to lock this part we required minimum 3 supports at the bottom, okay. So if I am providing the 3 supports, okay, so it will restrict the movement in this direction, and also 2 rotation it is locking. Then in another direction, let's suppose this direction, so this direction minimum 2 supports we need to provide, okay. So this part cannot travel in this direction, also 1 rotation it is locking, and another 1 point we are taking in this direction or this direction to lock this movement, okay. So in the 3 to 1 principle we have to lock all 6 degrees of freedom, 3 rotational, 3 translation, using the minimum 6 points.